Hello everyone. In this exercise of SolidWorks, we will understand instances to vary in linear pattern. Okay, let's start. File, new, part, this one. Okay, I am making a simple part here first. This one. First I am taking background plain white and unit system is a millimeter gram second. Okay, I am taking this dimension 150 mm and this dimension I am taking 100 mm. Okay, I am extruding it only 2 mm. This dimension I am taking 2 mm. Appearance you can give from here. This one I am giving this color for demarcation purpose only. This one. This color. Okay. Now select this face, sketch, normal. This one I am making a hole here. This one. This dia I am keeping 8 mm only. This 8 mm. Okay, and this dimension I am taking 15 mm. 15 mm. Okay, and this dimension I am taking 20 mm. 20 mm. Okay, and now future extrude cut, blind 2 mm thickness. Okay, this is our future one. Now in normal first in future there is a linear pattern here. Okay, I am going in the linear pattern. First I am selecting this direction, this one. Okay, this is moving. Suppose I take the distance 30 mm, at a distance of 30 mm and making 5 pattern here. Okay, this is the normal linear pattern, but second direction I am taking 1. You can also use the second direction also, but I am using one direction only, this direction. Okay, now here left hand side at bottom you see the instances to vary. Okay, I am selecting this instances to vary, this one. Now this, now you will see there are the ping point also comes here. Okay, suppose you want to delete any feature here, right? You can delete it. Right click and select it and skip instances. Okay, you can delete it. If you want to delete any feature you don't require, just click it at the ping point and skip instances. That will be removed, but I am not removing any. Okay, now left hand side instances to vary, there is a window, this window. Okay, click this window. Now there are the, you are showing there are the 3 dimension, 2 mm this dimension, 20 mm this dimension, 15 mm this dimension, 8 mm is the dia. Suppose you click this one and which dimension you want to change. Suppose I want to change this dimension 8 mm dia. I am clicking this. Now the window modifies here. Increment. Suppose you want to give the increment of the dia of the 1 mm in each pattern. Okay, double click and write the increment amount. This is 1 mm. This, and hit the right button here. You will see every feature is increased by 1 mm. This one 8 mm, 9 mm, 10 mm, 11 mm, 12 mm. Suppose again I am editing it. Now suppose click this one window, and now you want to increase this distance, for example 15 mm, this one, or decrease. You can also decrease the distance between this one is this one. 30 mm. Distance between each pattern is 30 mm. Okay. Now suppose you want to increase, you can also decrease the distance here. This one 15, click this window modifies, double click here. Suppose you want to or you want to increase 0.5 mm, for example 0.50, this one, and hit the right button. You will see this distance is modified 30.5, and this way this dimension is increasing 0.51. In this way this is increasing by 0.5 mm. This distance is moving again. This one, right click. Suppose you want to increase this distance 20 mm. Click this one, click this one, first this one and this one. Now the window modifies, double click in this one. Suppose you want to increase by 1 mm or 2 mm. Suppose 1 mm I am taking 1 mm, this one, and hit the right button, this one. So this distance is moved by 1 mm, this 1 mm, this 1 mm. In this way this is increased by increment of 1 mm. This is this way modified. Now I take another example. I am deleting it, this one, this linear pattern. I am making another pattern here. This sketch, this one and this one. This distance is same distance. I am making 20 mm or 50 mm. This distance 15 mm, and this distance from here to here I am taking, this is 15 mm, and this distance and this one, that is the 50 mm I am taking. Okay. And this dia I am taking 8 mm, same dia I am using. This time I will extrude this dia. Okay. Future, extrude, and height I am taking, suppose 25 mm. Okay. This one. This is 25. Okay. Now if I take the linear pattern, this one, this dimension, this linear pattern in this direction, one direction only. Distance is same, 5 pattern I am taking. Okay. Future, this one, and same thing. Bottom instances to vary here. Click this window. Suppose you want to skip any suppose you see the pink point here. You pink point, just click it. Just click it and skip this. You can remove this thing. Any in future you can remove here. Okay. Now I'm not removing anyone. Click this one, and suppose I want to change the dia of every instant. I am clicking this and this one. You will say the window modify this and double click here, and suppose I increase dia 1 mm, this one, and hit the right button, this one. So you will see, evaluate, measure. This dia is, you will see 9 mm. Okay. This dia, this is this is 10 mm. So dia is increasing by 1 mm. Okay. This one. I am this one. Now again edit. Now this time suppose I am this distance 15 mm. This distance, click here this window and this dimension 15. Now window modifies, double click in increment, in the increment. Suppose I want to increase 0.5 mm, this one, and hit the right button. So distance increases, this distance increases by 0.5 mm. Okay. Again edit this one, and suppose now I am taking this dimension, this one. this dimension, modify this window, double click, and suppose you modify by 2 mm. Double click 2 mm, this one, this. So this every pattern moves increased by 2 mm. This 2 mm, this 2 mm, this thing, this 2 mm. In this way, you will see here. Okay. So in this way, you can use the instances to vary in the linear pattern. I hope you would have enjoyed in my this exercise. You please like, share, and subscribe my this channel. You please subscribe my this channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you.